siyang ituloy, Scorpio Part 2, kasi parang 2 readings ago, may nakita na rin ako dito na parang nahihirapan yung feminine here na umahon because may mga paulit-ulit kayong patterns, toxic patterns na ginagawa na maaaring nakakaapekto sa manifestations or financial blessings nyo. At minsan, kinu-question mo na Scorpio kung gaano pa ba kayang ipaglaban the strength card in reverse tong relationship na to. Maaari, I don't wanna claim, but there's a potential, like sabihin natin, revelation na naman ng mga bagay na maaaring hindi mo magustuhan. Kaya sabi mo, magfo-focus ka na lang sa financial stability. But there's a feeling of defeat here. Maaring sabihin mo rin na wala ka man lang maramdaman ang mga Scorpio, wala man lang maramdaman na suporta from their partner or mga taong inaasahan niya na sanang tutulong or makakaintindi sa kanya. There's a feeling of loss here that someone is parang hindi napapahalagahan. Or kung ano man yung ginagawang effort, it feels like parang hindi na-value. So, I feel Scorpio. Itong energy na to, since naging paulit-ulit na siya, tulad ng lagi kong sinasabi, if na-discuss na, kung hindi to na-discuss, you have to discuss this with your person or family members or kaibigan, no? Kung anong klaseng relationship man to, kung anong klaseng partnership man to. Because pag may mga bagay na hindi ka nagugustuhan, nakakasakit sa'yo, at hindi mo naman sinabi at hindi naman alam ng person mo na na-hurt ka sa mga ginagawa niya at naulit to, kasalanan mo yun. But, if naging open ka naman at sinabi mo sa person mo na, hey, nasasaktan ako dito, wag na sana itong maulit kasi I don't like this, I feel hurt, I feel neglected if nangyayari to. At inulit-ulit pa niya, and that is a decision already of your person. Okay? Kasi we understand na hindi talaga madaling magbago, but at least may makikita ka na changes and effort from your person. Pero pag wala ka nakikitang effort at pareho lang, and you feel neglected, and you feel unheard, and you feel like parang hindi na-value yung voice mo, hindi na-value yung opinion mo, even your effort sa connection na to, bakit ka nandito? Kasi baka naman your person is just not that strong enough to tell you na binibitiwan na talaga niya tong connection na to, and you're trying to make things work. Ikaw mag-isa. In any connection and any relationship na one way, at ikaw na lang ang nag-aayos, ikaw na lang yung interesado, at ikaw lang yung nag-e-effort, or ikaw lang nagtataguyod ng finances, I don't think that will work. I don't think that would work. Last advice for the Scorpio. Advice for the Scorpio. Last and more advice for the Scorpio. Focus on yourself. Focus on your healing. Focus on your glow up. Focus on your personal development. Focus on you. And be guarded. Guard your emotions, okay? Huwag masyadong, if may mga tao sa buhay mo na nasira na yung tiwala mo and they already shown you na hindi sila reliable, then huwag ka masyadong magtiwala and protect your heart. Kasi kung alam mo hindi sila reliable at ibibigay mo yung 100% trust, kasalanan mo pag nasaktan ka ulit. Manage your expectations. Okay? Ang bigat ng reading ng Scorpio. And hopefully, yung next reading natin would be, alam mo, nakikita ko, there's so many nights na you feel like parang gusto mong umiyak. Alam mo yun? Na parang nahirapan ka na kung nasang situation ka right now. But, minsan kasi, yung mga partnerships na pinipili natin is hindi naman nakakatulong dun sa long-term goals na gusto natin para sa sarili natin. And in this connection, I can see yung effort ng mga Scorpio na ayusin yung connection nito. But tandaan mo, walang connection na magiging successful at mag-flourish kung isa lang lagi yung bigay ng bigay. Alright? And that will be the Scorpio reading for the month of January. See you again in a few days for your bonus reading. Bye-bye, Scorpio!